Hi, in this video we want to show you how to mount this snapback onto the CAMEO F Series. We have the F1, F2 and the F4, and all of them will fit into this snapback. You just open the snapback and you slide in the barn doors into these pockets. I show you more into details. Open the brake and put the light into an upright position. This makes life much easier to attach the snapback onto the barn doors. The first step is to get the long side of the barn door into these pockets. In this case, we are using the bigger pocket. Just pull it over and slide it in, secure it with the velcros, rotate it again, do the same thing on the other side. Now you're creating this tension that is needed. And now you take the white straps over here, the white velcro, and tighten it up on the bottom. So this is also only on the long barn doors on the two sides. Here we go. And now you have a very rigid connection to the whole system. So as you can see, we have also the possibility to insert a baffle. This just goes in like in here. What we recommend, instead of using the baffle, just to remove the lens, because by removing the lens you will have a much nicer beam spread, a wider beam spread, and you don't need any baffle and you have less light loss. Now you can just attach the front screen. You have also enough space to put in a snap grid, and you have the full comfort to rotate the whole snapback, and I will show you on the other lights in which kind of pockets you have to store in the barn doors. In the F1 setup, the big barn doors are sitting here in the first pouch of the snapback. The smaller barn doors are sitting inside and holding the snapback in a nice way. The F4 is working like that. Here you can see that the big barn door is sitting in the first front pouch in here. The smaller one is here on the side in this elastic loop. Now it's your choice which kind of Fresnel you want to use together with this universal snapback.